Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we will be playing Don't Press the Button. I have a new fit, even though it's not Easter anymore, it's 2 days after Easter. So what? It doesn't mean I can wear carrot stuff. Let me remove this. Let me press it. I'm ready to start the hell shoot. I'm not too good at this. I'm gonna start off with this girly. Let's start off. Oh shit, I just died. Princess Honey, who the hell? Just telling facts. Defend the statues from the news. Just here's a little thing. Always go to a side. This time I'm going to this side. A lot of people. Get out of here. Get out of here. So, I really like this game. If you guys want more content, oh my god, the two noobs. Oh yeah, by the way, what do you call it? If you want me to do a game or react to it, I will for sure definitely do a video on that. But I will have to play it first to make the intro. Okay, so we already did 2 rounds of recording. I'm sorry I didn't record, but yeah. My camera went off because I don't know why, but I like spinning too. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. And there's an invisible box where you stand. Everyone won except for one person. I like pink. Give me pink. I like pink. Give me pink and I'll be fine with it. I love pink anyway. Because pink is life to me. I mean, I feel bad for people who want to pink because I'm still going to make it. Yeah. Watch the Super Mario Brothers. Because that was a nice movie. Because it was about... Bombs are falling from the sky. Push stone. Oh! Oh! Okay, so... if y'all want me to do more content, either playing fight, don't press the button, or don't press the button 1, don't press the button 2. King of the Hill. Oh, I got pushed off. Push her off. Push this on. Mm-hmm.
Can you get the book with the